How do we take this luxury listing from dated furniture and decor to packed open houses and under contract with multiple offers in just 2 days? Well, today I'm sharing exactly how we did it. Hi everyone, I'm Tina Veltri Group of Brevard, LPT Realty, partners with my brother Lil. And today I'm going to be giving you behind the scenes look at how we prepared, priced, marketed, and quickly sold this beautiful luxury home right here on the Space Coast of Florida. People say the perfect home can sell itself, but there are key strategies you can use to ensure you get top dollar for your home and maybe even multiple offers. Make sure to stick around to the end because we're going to be showing you the amazing transformation of this home and taking you on a home tour. We started this journey with the family back in January, and then the home was finally listed middle of March. Their mom had passed and the home just needed to be sold. We met with the family to do an initial assessment and we toured the home. This was a 3,300 square foot home, a little over 2 acres, located on Crane Creek in the backyard. And the floor plan was excellent. This home had been immaculately maintained and it was in fabulous condition. However, it was a little dated, nothing had been updated, and it really wasn't giving that luxury vibe that we needed it to have at the price point we were going to be at. Because this was a luxury listing, we felt the best strategy was to work on curb appeal, clear the home, and then get it professionally staged so it really did have that luxury feel when potential buyers walked through the home. Once the family took out the possessions that they wanted to keep, we hired an estate sale company. Estate sale by Olaf. It's a husband and wife team. They came in, they went through every last item in the home, they priced it, and then we had a 3-day estate sale. And it was a huge success. I'm going to be putting their contact information in the details below. Highly recommend if you ever need to have an estate sale. When the estate sale was over, we still had the daunting task of clearing out the rest of the things in the home. And there was a lot of stuff. So we made 2 huge piles in the garage, one for junk removal and one for donations. And honestly, you could not believe how much stuff there really was. After the donations were picked up and we dropped some off, we hired a company with a young entrepreneur, Preston, Wahoo Junk Removal, to come and pick up the rest of the junk. And we filled an entire trailer. Now, if you need junk removal, I highly recommend this young man. He was professional, did a great job, and he had the best price in town. I'm going to be putting his information in the description below as well. Once the home was cleared, we had it deep cleaned, and we were getting a little bit worried at this point because the clearing of the home took a little bit longer than we expected, and we were on a time frame. So we already had the stager planned, the photography planned, the open house planned, and the date that it was going to be actively listed on the market. But thank goodness we got everything done in time. Stager Tiffany came out from Inspiring Design and Home Staging and a couple other workers that were helping her, and they brought out furniture and decor to get the home ready. Honestly, when they were done, it looked better than I could have ever imagined. And then the next day, we had our professional photography done and the video done. And wow, after almost 2 months of planning, the home was finally ready for market. I do have a couple videos coming up on staging, professional staging versus what sellers can do to get their home ready for market. I'm also going to be doing a before and after, kind of the transformation of this listing as well. So make sure to subscribe so you don't miss that. And if you're interested, you can download our staging roadmap. That'll be in the description below as well. Determining the price for this home was a little tricky. It was very unique in a unique area, and there weren't any homes that had really sold that we could use as comparable sales. But then mid-January, a home just down the street went on the market. Now this one was ultra modern and had been completely updated versus our more traditional, immaculate condition, but not updated. So we decided to make the strategic move and price our listing $200,000 below theirs. We knew their price was a little high anyway, and we knew that when buyers compared both of our listings, that they would look at them and say, hey, you know what? For $200,000, I could completely renovate this home and even keep some extra money in my pocket. We did a lot of pre-listing advertising. We did teaser photos and videos, sharing the different steps and different things that we were doing to get our home ready for market in Melbourne, Florida. Then we listed it as a coming soon 3 weeks prior to it becoming active. And I had 3 listing photos up that I personally took. But in the listing itself, we wrote down when the home was going to have the professional photography uploaded, when the home would become active for showings, and when we were going to be having open houses. And the phone started ringing. We also mailed postcards out to the neighbors, telling them about the new listing and inviting them to the open house. We heavily marketed this home, and we knew that the price was right. Our listing became active on a Friday, and so we began showings Friday morning, and then I hosted an open house Friday evening and another one on Saturday, and the home was packed with people. The added bonus was the home down the street decided to have an open house on that Saturday as well, which brought in even more traffic. And we got a lot of feedback for our listing right away. Everyone said it showed beautifully and they believed the price was absolutely worth it, especially after looking at the one just down the street. By Saturday evening, we had multiple offers, and as you can imagine, our sellers were thrilled. Meanwhile, the home down the street was still sitting, and just recently, they lowered their price $100,000. So now let's take a look at how it all came together and check out the final transformation of this amazing home. Are you ready to discuss your home selling journey? Give us a call, 321-341-6541, or you can get in touch with us by scheduling a consultation. The link is in the description below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more real estate tips. Thanks for watching. Remember, our family is always here to help yours.